Hi, I'm Sean Gann, this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about solving systems of three equations with elimination.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here. Negative 6x minus 2y plus 2z equals negative 8. 3x minus 2y minus 4z equals 8. 6x minus 2y minus 6z equals a negative 18. And we need to solve this system by elimination. Well, let's look at our first two equations. If I rewrite them here, negative 6x minus 2y plus 2z equals a negative 8, and 3x minus 2y minus 4z equals a positive 8. We can see that if I subtract the two equations here, our y value will be eliminated. Negative 6x minus 3y is a negative 9x. But negative 2y minus a negative 2y is like adding a positive 2y. They cancel. 2z minus a negative 4z is like adding a 4z. So it's a 6z here. And negative 8 minus an 8 is a negative 16. So great. We eliminated this and eliminated the variable y. So let's do the same thing and see if we can adapt something else to eliminate y again. And actually, the second two equations, we can do that. So let's rewrite them. 3x minus 2y minus 4z equals 8, and 6x minus 2y minus 6z equals a negative 18. If we subtract the two equations from each other, okay, we subtract them, well, what do we get? 3x minus 6x is, well, a negative 3x. But here, negative 2y minus a negative 2y is like adding a positive 2y, and they cancel out. Negative 4z minus a negative 6z is like adding a positive 6z, and we have plus 2z here. 8 minus a negative 18 is like adding a positive 18, and we have 26. So where can we go from, well, here? Well, I know I can eliminate. If I multiply the second equation by 3, I get negative 3x times 3 is a negative 9x. So let's do that. I'm going to take this whole thing, multiply it by 3, and put it up here. So 3 times negative 3 is a negative 9x. 3 times 2z is a 6z. And then 3 times 26 is a 78. Alright, if I subtract these two equations here now, I can eliminate my x value. Negative 9x minus a negative 9x plus a positive 9x, they cancel. Now let's go with the z's. 6z minus a 6z, well, that's also 0, they cancel, so we have 0 on this side here. Negative 16 minus 78 is a negative 94. Well, does 0 equal negative 94? No, that is incorrect. So what happened here? Well, we have 0 not equal 94. That's not a true statement, and all of our variables cancel. So when this happens, we have no unique solution. Meaning there's no unique solution to this system of equations, and that is our final answer. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.